Hi students, in this video class I am going to explain you about encoder and decoder circuits. What is the use of encoder and decoder circuit? First of all, encoder circuit used to convert decimal number into binary. Not only decimal, you can convert octal, decimal or hexadecimal number into binary numbers. Whereas decoder converts binary number into octal, decimal or hexadecimal. Try to understand the examples. Suppose when you press 5 from the keyboard, so inside the system, inside the processor, signals generate. So, and signals can be true or false combination of the signals. So, when you press 5, signal generates like 101. So, it converts into signals, which is called decimal to binary form, because inside the computer it is an electronic machine. So, it works on the signals. Signals travels from one place to another, which is called binary language. So, first of all I am going to explain you about the encoder circuit, and I am going to explain you through decimal to binary encoder. Try to understand first of all this diagram, small diagram. This is decimal number using encoder. Convert into binary. This is binary, decimal to binary. Inside the processor, after processing, results always remains in binary, but finally decoder converts into decimal number system. Input is decimal, output is decimal. Here encoder converts into binary. Inside the computer binary processing is there, results remains in binary, but when it comes on the terminal window, terminal screen, then you can see it will again convert into decimal using decoder circuit. So, first of all let us discuss encoder circuit. So, there are three types of encoder circuit: octal to binary, decimal to binary and hexadecimal to binary. So, I am going to explain you decimal to binary encoder circuit. So, first of all take all the decimal or denary numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 to 9, these are the decimal numbers. So, let us draw the circuit of decimal to binary. These are the switches. Now, consider it is 0, 0 means do not connect, 1 it connected. Then again 0, then 1. So, alternate wires, suppose these are wire signal wires which contain signals. So, connect alternate wires. As you can say, it is 0 and 1 and connect with the OR gate finally. It is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. In such a way you can learn this and draw this and finally connect with the OR gate. Now, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 0. It means you can say it is 2, 0, 2 ones. Now 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave 4 wires, connect 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now leave 8 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect the last 2. So this way you can draw the circuit diagram of decimal to binary encoder. Now try to understand the working. Suppose you are pressing this switch 5. So signals will travel from here and only there will be a signal in this wire. In this wire means here and here. So this gate will be 1, output will be 1. This gate output will be 0. This is connected here with this wire. If we press the 5, then you can see it is also 1 and this will remain 0. Only signal is in this wire, so only 2 OR gates will be 1, others are 0. So you can write 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1, which is the binary of 5. One more example. See, suppose 7 is there. If you click on 7, if the signal is there in this line, so this gate remains 0, but this gate will be produce output 1, this gate again produce output 1, and this gate also produce output 1. 0 1 1 1, 0 1 1 and 1. Which is the binary of 7. So this is the working of decimal to binary encoder. For octal you take up to 7 only. For decimal 0 to 9. For hexadecimal you can come to the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or you can write A, B, C, D, E, F, as you can see in my notes also. So this is about the decimal to binary encoder. Now let us continue with the next circuit, which is decoder circuit. Next circuit is decoder. Now to convert binary to decimal or binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. So we can say it is 2 to 4 decoder or 3 to 8 and 4 to 16. 2 to 4 decoder. There are 2 inputs lines but 4 output, 3 inputs lines but 8 outputs, 4 inputs line but 16 outputs. First of all, I am going to draw the truth table A and B, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 2 to 4, what is the designation of this? If this is a binary 0 0, then designation, the decimal number is 0, 0 1 decimal number is 1, 1 0 decimal number 2, 1 1 decimal number is 3. So these are the designation for this input table. How can we get this decimal number? Let us draw the circuit. 2 to 4, first of all I am drawing here 2 to 4. There are 2 inputs A and B. You draw the line like this. This is the signal wires which carry signals. The complement of this, which is called A complement, and this is the complement of B, B complement. Both are 0. It means complement you take 0, A complement and B complement connect with AND gate. A is 0, B is 1, A is 0, B is 1. This is 1, complement is 0. This is 1, complement of A is 0. So 0 and 1, second input combine with the AND gate. Third input 1 and 0, A is 1, B is 0. Last one 1 and 1, A and B both are 1. Here you can say it is designation 0, designation 1, designation 2, designation 3. Try to understand. I am taking these inputs. If A is 1, B is 0. Now try to understand the working, how it gives 2. If A is 0, then A complement will be 1. Signal will be in this wire. So if signal is there, these 2 points is having signal. So here and here inputs are 1. If A is 1, if A is 1 means signals are here in this 2 gates. In these 2 gates input will be 1. But if B is 0, then B complement will be 1. Then B complement will be 1 means signal will be here, or this. I am pointing the points. This one for A is 1 and for B is 0, then B complement will be 1. B complement is 1, these 2 points. So here you can see for this AND gate, here 2 inputs, both are 1, then D2 designation will be there. Whose designation is D2? That gate is on, will produce the output 1. So 1 0 input, 2 is the output. So this is about the decoder circuit. Now one more circuit is there, multiplexer. Multiplexer circuit means to convert many input lines into one. Just like when you see the real world example of telephone exchange. In telephone exchange, receive signals from many destinations and convert into single destination from one exchange to another exchange. Or we can say parallel to serial conversion is a multiplexer. One more example of cable network. Cable comes from outside, takes the inputs from the different dishes and converts into single wire. And finally, when it reaches to our television, which we have a demultiplexer device in it, which demultiplex into, and demultiplexer means converting serial to parallel. The reverse of multiplexer is demultiplexer. But how to draw the circuit diagram of multiplexer? There are 4 outputs. Now 4 outputs combined with single OR gate. This is multiplexer. This is a circuit diagram of multiplexer. So this is about the decoder circuit 2 to 4. Same way you can draw 3 to 8. 3 to 8 means there are 3 inputs A, B, C, and there can be 8 possible outputs. Same way 4 to 16. 4 possible inputs if are there, then there will be 16 outputs will be there. So this is about the decoder circuit. That's all.